What's up, y'all? It's D bringing you guys another video. Today's video is a little bit of a sad one. We're going to be saying goodbye to the F90 M5 for a little while at least. So we're about to go drop the F90 off at MSR. The car is going to be there for a little while. And I'm excited to bring you guys it after it comes back out. But it is going to be there for a month or so. We've got some exciting things going on. Of course, I'm going to bring you guys along on the journey for that. And I'm just excited. All right, guys. So we got the car here at MSR. I'm so excited to get this build going for you guys. Like I said, we're gonna document it all for you. Now I'm just waiting on my wife to get here. All right, guys, so this is the last time y'all see the car looking like this. It is currently, in its resting place for a little while. But once it comes back out, we're gonna be ready to tear up some streets, guys. The car will be here at MSR. It's gonna be getting a full engine build. We're gonna be taking it to the next level. I'm very excited to bring you guys along with it. There's not many build F90s on YouTube, and so, I wanna be one of the first and to bring you guys along with me. You have the big ones like evolving them, but nobody who doesn't have like a whole performance shop or any of that is really doing F90s. Everybody's doing G80s, G82s, Supras, M340s, M240s, M440s, shoot. Anything with a B58 and an S58. This is what people are doing right now. But I'm gonna show you guys what the S63 really can do. So of course, stay tuned. Shoot, I'm just very excited. I don't even really know what to say at this point. I'm just so excited. And you guys will be thrilled with the results. And you'll see what the S63 can really do. It's the big brother to the M3, M4, as you know. But a lot of people don't mod them because it does get pretty expensive, as y'all see. At the end of the build and everything, I'll tally up everything, what it cost me and whatnot. And yeah, it gets up there. I ain't gonna lie to you. What about the V8s? I'm gonna show you that the V8s can really make power, and we're gonna do some exciting things. This year will be great. We're gonna do a lot of racing events, and I'm planning on kicking out the content for you guys. We're really gonna try to take off this year. I'm very excited to have the car here. MSR does great work, and y'all will see what kind of beast we make.